If you want to adjust the brakes on your car, this is a set of rear brakes, and it takes a tool like this. This is called what we refer to as a brake spoon, and there are all sorts of sizes and shapes of these to fit the different cars that you need to put them on. But this little star right here with the notches in it, you can see this brake spoon fits up in there, and it adjusts this wheel and expands the brake shoes out and then makes the brakes tighter. Of course, you get a better brake pedal. You need a spoon to do that, and to adjust it, you need to go to the back side. So let me move the camera around back here. If I can get it adjusted right. And you'll see that there's a little tab right here, and that's that little rubber piece that needs to come out. Then you take your brake spoon and stick it in on the back side, and you adjust the wheel by doing this motion. If you want to loosen it, you go in the other direction. Now the self-adjuster will make it a little difficult to go in the other direction, so you'll have to have a screwdriver or something to relieve the self-adjuster to do that. Get yourself a brake spoon just like this one, if I can get it up there in the picture. Find one that fits your car. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my blog or my website to hit subscribe, and you can buy this tool right online.